You are going to love the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.